Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 11 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and if for some reason the camera do not work just like you want to, then we have to try to reset camera settings. I hope that you can see the special type of the grid line, which is called golden spiral. I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So hopefully this grid line will disappear. All we have to do right now is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on the video or the photo mode or whatever. Just tap on it and go to the settings. Just tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the option Restore Defaults. Let's tap and tap on Restore Defaults again. Nothing happened. I mean, it did not flash, I don't know, it wasn't being refreshed, but we can go back to the camera and check. And as you can see, the grid line disappeared, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So basically that's all. This is how to reset the camera in your OnePlus 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.